how was the 110 today? How did it go? She looked like a bloody green machine. How was she?
No, we wait for Hamish. Me and Hamish.
No, Hamish.
How was your day, Tom?
Oh, well, I've had a pretty good day,
No. Interview time. Thank you. Start again.
Alright, start again.
Country outside of West Melton. So, Tom, how's the 110?
Oh, mate, like that 250 I was riding the other day, it just beats that 250.
Does it?
You know, just the speed, the power,
Yep.
and just the handling.
Oh,
you know?
shit, yeah.
It's just, yeah.
Key safety features.
No, just the features.
Well, this is a KLX one.
Alright, so Hamish, what are some of the key features of this all-new, brand-new KLX 110?
Well, we have the amazing Pro Taper handlebars. Yeah, some amazing decals by KLX.
Pretty sure.
I cut that. Yeah, these beautiful golden tires, they hook up the traction, bloody amazing. We have a weight reducer by, what's it called again, Tom? One of my sponsors. Oh, Kawasaki. No. They've beautiful whips. And she runs like a beast. Let me put her in neutral.
Yep,
Alright, now.
time for some sex.
I'm the mechanic and I do a beautiful job on this bike, so you should be very proud of me.
Give me a rip in it. Give me a rip.